Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my OG family. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? Hope you are very fit and fine. Today I want to share a very beautiful designs of crochet blouses design. Crochet top blouses design I have shared with newly designed. Will look be very prettiest and gorgeous videos. And I have shared with more fantastic videos. You will stay connected with our channel. Stay will be amazing videos, and I have shared with you. Keep watching more fantastic videos, more fantastic designs, fantastic ideas. एंड जो भी डिज़ाइंस वगैरह आप सबके साथ शेयर की जाती हैं, आप लोग उन डिज़ाइंस वगैरह को कैप्चर करिएगा, शेयर करिएगा विद मोर फैंटास्टिक एंड elegant designs, and you will be more creative designs, and I have shared with more stunning videos. हम जो भी डिज़ाइंस वगैरह आप सबके साथ शेयर किए जाते हैं, जो कि टॉप क्लासेस के रिलेटेड हो या किसी और टॉपिक्स के रिलेटेड, तो भी आप सबकी जो इसके अकॉर्डिंग होते हैं, और हमारी तो टोटली एफर्ट भी यही होती है कि मतलब आप लोग को वही डिज़ाइंस, वही कलेक्शन दिखाएं जो आप लोग देखना चाहते हैं। मैं भी कुछ तो डिफरेंट होता ही है, आप सबकी जो किसी और जिसके कमेंट आते हैं उनके रिलेटेड होती है, कुछ आपके रिलेटेड होती है। आई होप कि आप लोगों को सभी डिज़ाइंस वगैरह पसंद आ रहे होंगे। May Allah Almighty keep you happy, keep your home in abundance, and may you continue to enjoy my video like these. Like these creative designs, creative videos. You will more fantastic videos I have shared with you. I have shared with more stunning videos of top blouses. Top blouses are used in different things, different ideas, and amazing videos we have to share with you. You will stay connected with amazing videos. May Allah Almighty keep you happy, keep your home in abundance, and may you continue to enjoy my video like this. Ameen. So I requested all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the button of all notification. All subscribers, all new members, stay connected with amazing videos. So let's go, inshallah we will meet again in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe if you guys are interested in my videos in my channel. You will amazingly share with creative designs, creative videos, and different designs. You look perfect designs I have shared with you.